Hi guys, welcome to Kelo TV where we guide how to create a website, how to create a game, also an application, not only to create but also to show you how to monetize the game so that you make money out of it. So if you're new, consider subscribing for more videos updates. Today's video we're going to show you how to create a mining app game, a coin mining app. So as you can see, this is the preview. Let me show you from the beginning to the end. So if I play here, I monetize this app already. So you can see this is add more ads from this website. So as you can see, it's going to work this way. You create an account, you log in, and you're going to get the you have to keep on mining so that you make money from this app. So first you have to sign up an account, you log into it. So as you can see, I'm going to log into the account and you're going to see how it works. So as you can see from the button here, you can see download, you can see home, wallet, referral, and settings. So here you can see this is how the mining app works. If you click on start mining, you see the coins will be counting for you while you'll be seeing the amount, how many coins, and then how many dollars you're making from the coins. You can transfer your coins, you can withdraw your money. You can buy coins from someone, you keep it, while anytime you can sell it. So that is how it works. Here you can see it's mining. Here settings, you can see here you can see sign up button where you can create an account. Here down you can see add more ads is showing here, and here you can see full name, that is the registration. This is where you're going to register the account, and automatically you'll be registered and you log in to the account. So many things on this app. You can see my art is still showing while the mining still continue. The way this app works is only when you stop the mining, it will stop automatically. So even if you're not on the app still keep running. Uh, the ads keep running, and the mining still continue. So this is how it works. You can see you can send coins to someone. You can also receive, receive. The person can scan uh, QR scanner, and he's going to scan the automatically two app is going to be connected, and you receive the coins automatically. So this is the how it works here. This is the dark mode. You can change it to white, you can change it to dark. So this is how the app works. Okay, so let's go ahead to check how other apps works. Here you can see this is another app which works the same thing. Here you can see let's check. This person have 100,000 downloads. Okay, so here if I go back, we're going to see many the same app we are creating. Okay, here you can see another one. Let's check it together. So we're going to find out if you have this type of app, how much money you can make out of it. So we're going to calculate it together. If you go here, you're going to find out. Okay, I'm going to select Europe. For you, select everywhere if you want to check it out. So here you can see Android, you go there, and here we're going to put it under finance, and we select and we click calculate. So with this app, with this type of app under finance mining app, so you can see this is the estimate of what you will be making in a month. So you'll be making 2,533 uh 2,532 dollars. So this is actually only in a month. So imagine if you have like this person has 1 million downloads. So imagine if this person have 500,000 users, or let's leave it at 461 thousand people active every month. So this is the amount you'll be making in a month. That is 23,000 $364. So this is the amount you'll be making from this app. So this is an opportunity for you to stand and start it today, before you know you'll be getting millions of people downloading your app. Okay, so you can see this is the same what I show you from the video. I hosted the code here so that you can also see the same preview of the game. So here you can see on page, here you can see your wallet, here you can see referral, and here you can see settings. So because why I'm clicking and nothing is happening, because I've not logged into the account. Now let me log in the same way you saw from the video, and you also going to see it yourself. Okay, so okay, so automatically you see you'll be logged in, and this is going to start counting for you. If you click on start mining, and you can see wallets, you can see referral, you can see send, that is send wallet to someone, receive sorry, send coin to someone, you can receive coin from someone. Here your money you're making, you can withdraw as well. So that is how it works. So here you can see referral, and here you can see, okay, so that is how it works. You can see, okay, you can see wallet, you can see this is your my wallet address. I can copy and send somebody, or you can you can send to another person by entering the wallet address, just like my own, which I copied. You put it and how many coins you want to send to me, maybe 100 coins. And if there's any note, maybe please, okay, send send me the 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 money. So you can see this is how it works. So you click send, and you can see it says insufficient balance because I don't have up to that for me to send. So that is how it works, and I can send to myself. So that is how it works. Here you can get your referral code here. Once you refer somebody to the app, you'll be making 10% of the friend mining rewards. So actually it's a very nice app, that if you have the time to do this app, make sure you publish it and make sure you advertise this app, and you're going to make money from ads showing, as you saw from here, the preview. Here you can see my ads showing from here. So you're going to monetize this app. Okay, so here you can see these are all the code I have for you. So if you really need this app code, let me please know, so that I will share it, and you're good to go to make money with this app. So if you have this code, the next thing now is for you to know where to publish this app for you to get monetized with AdMob. So these are the recommended app stores by AdMob. As you can see, you can either publish it on Amazon App Store, which I have a video about that, you can check it out. So other platform that you can as well publish your app are all here. You can see all this is allowed by AdMob anywhere you publish, and here where you see the tick mark icon here, if you have published on Amazon, you need to tick it here. So you select which one you use for the publication of your app. So that is how it works. So if you have this code, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to copy this code, and you host it on on the app creator 24, where you can see this is my own. I have actually published it. So as I always guide, you can only come up here to just create a new app, and you go to where you host this code. Make sure you host it first on maybe on Blogspot for free. I have a lot of videos where I show all how to do those settings, and here in my video, if you see, there's nothing like any up something here. Let me still show you. Okay, so we're going to see here, you can see there's no anything here, which I always show in the blogger, how to host this code. Okay, if you're going to host the code, make sure you create this one. Once you create, as I always guide, make sure you do the navigating settings here. Make sure you leave it to off, so that you're going to get the same design without no any header here, only your app header. So that is how it works. So make sure you host the code here. Go to section. Okay, here let me open it for you. So you put the name, and here you can host the code directly or by hosting it on Blogger, and then you copy the URL. So the choice is left to you. Any method you think it's better by you, you can go with that. Okay, so here these are my code hosted here, and I save it. The next step, you're going to link your AdMob code with the app. Make sure you follow this step by step. You need to go to the general info, and here you go to name and icon, and here make sure you also put your app icon, that is the app logo as well. And here make sure your package name is also here. Make sure the package name from here goes the same thing with the one you're going to use on the app store. Okay, so you go here. Here you can see my app ID uh, code. Here you need to put your app ID, and you save. Okay. So the next step, you're going to, this step is also in all my videos, so that is why I don't want to take all the same steps. So you can watch another video for you to get some more experience on how to get the AdMob code. So I'm just showing you how that could be done. So create an account on AdMob. That is where you're going to get all the code I'm showing. Okay, so here you go to section, you go to ads for you to link the Unity ads. So here these are for banner, and this is for the another one, and this is for another one. So you need to create for each of the ad types. So here you click save changes, and here you're good to go. Now it's time for you to download your APK file for upload in any of the recommended app stores. So which I have shown you, the recommended app stores are all here. So make sure you put your app store, your app into any of this app store. Apart from this app store, you put your app in other app stores. AdMob will not approve your account, will not approve your app to show ads. But once it's in one of these app stores, AdMob is going to approve your account. Okay, so here you can see now our app, it's ready to go. You need to wait for just few seconds. The app is not yet available, so if you refresh after some few minutes, you see that yes, the download app button is clickable, which you are ready to download the APK file, ready to upload in App Store. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please kindly drop it down in the comment section. I will be ready to guide to help you out in all this journey. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.